Yes, students, welcome to online coaching for TSRJC CET. I would like to invite Arun sir to start the session.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, students. ఈ రోజు మనము physics topic ray optics చేద్దాము. All right. So today is day 2. So we'll begin with ray optics. All right. So we have got certain questions, some good number of questions. Chala questions ఉన్నాయి. 3 categories లో ఉన్నాయి questions. First category is fact based questions. ఆ fact తెలిస్తే డైరెక్ట్ గా మీరు సెకండ్స్ లో ఆన్సర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. Second type questions is numerical based, formula based questions. ఆ ఫార్ములా తెలిస్తే మీరు సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి ఆన్సర్ చేయొచ్చు. థర్డ్ ఇస్ రే డయాగ్రామ్ బేస్డ్. మీకు రే డయాగ్రామ్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ మంచిగా వస్తే ఆ క్వశ్చన్ ని ఈజీగా ఆన్సర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. దిస్ టాపిక్ ఇస్ వెరీ స్కోరింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఇది మంచిగా స్కోర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. దీంట్లో ఓన్లీ 3 కేటగిరీస్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి: ఫ్యాక్చువల్, న్యూమెరికల్ బేస్డ్ అండ్ రే డయాగ్రామ్ బేస్డ్. రే ఆప్టిక్స్ అంటేనే రే డయాగ్రామ్ బేస్డ్ ఉంటే చాలా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆల్ రైట్, లెట్స్ బిగిన్. So we have, according to sign convention, this is the first question, students. Just a second. Yeah. So according to sign convention, the distance which is measured in the direction of incident light to be taken as, మనం ఇన్సిడెంట్ డైరెక్షన్ లో లైట్ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే డైరెక్షన్ లో పాజిటివ్ తీసుకుంటామా నెగటివ్ తీసుకుంటామా అని అడుగుతున్నారు. సో ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ పాజిటివ్, ఆబ్వియస్లీ, రైట్? ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే డైరెక్షన్ పాజిటివ్ తీసుకుంటాం మనం, కన్వెన్షన్. ఆల్రైట్, లెట్స్ గో టు ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్. The rays coming from source parallel to the principal axis of concave mirror converge at a point. This point is called dash. Rays parallel గా వస్తున్నాయి, ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ కి parallel గా వస్తున్నాయి. ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ కి parallel వచ్చినప్పుడు రేస్ ఎక్కడ కన్వర్జ్ అవుతాయి? ఫోకస్ మీద కన్వర్జ్ అవుతాయి. So the answer is focus. All right, let's go for the next one. Yeah. Think of this, students. Think of this. ఇది ఆలోచించండి. Chandrika ma'am, is my screen properly visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
The presentation is visible, right, ma'am?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
All right, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Students are interacting. Very good. Chetan, Nikhil, Sidhu. Okay. So what's the answer? Equal. It's a plane mirror. That's okay if you go wrong. That's okay. Absolutely okay if you go wrong. But make an attempt. Attempt చేయండి. This is not a test. This is a training. Training లో ఎంత ట్రై చేస్తే టెస్ట్ లో అంత ఈజీగా పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తారు. All right. Okay, let's go for the next one. The magnification is always 1 for the following mirror. It's obviously good. Students are answering. Go ahead. Okay. Nikhil, Chetan, Sidhu, please attempt. Always 1. The magnification is 1. Convex mirror, concave mirror కి ఎలా ఉంటుంది magnification? ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ కి ఎలా ఉంటుంది? ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ లో ఏమవుతుంది? ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇమేజ్ సేమ్ సైజ్ ఉంటాయి కదా. ఇమేజ్ కూడా సేమ్ సైజ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ సేమ్ సైజ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మ్యాగ్నిఫికేషన్ 1 అంటారు. సో what is not given, Chetan? I didn't get you. Yes, good. 3. 3. Sidhu, the good. Plane mirror. Let's go for the next one. Good, Chetan. Okay, over here. See, these were questions which are fact-based. Now look at this question. This is a numerical question-based, formula-based question. The height of the image is double the size of the object. Its magnification is height of the image double on the size object content. Go ahead, go ahead. Others, Sidhu has attempted. Good. But think of it, Sidhu. Think of it again. Chetan, good. Sidhu, think of it again. Nikhil. Yeah. 2 is the magnification or 2 is the answer? Rachana, okay. Image, object ki double undi. Height of the image by height of the object. Image is twice of object. Let's look at the answer. Fourth option. 2 is the magnification. Double antunnadu kada. Let's see how. Height of the object x anukunte, height of the image 2x. Hi is 2x, ho is x. Magnification is given by what formula? Hi by ho. Hi is 2x. 2x by x. X gets cancelled. What remains is 2. So magnification is 2. Yeah, good, good, good. Actually, one thing, students, do you want me to go faster? Faster, Lalas? Is the pace okay now? If the pace is okay, speed is okay, type okay in the chat box. Slow ante slow and type change. All right, all right. I'm going ahead. Okay, let's move forward. The person is standing in front of a plane mirror at distance of 10 centimeters. He walked 4 centimeters towards the mirror. Distance between object and image in the second case is dash. A person 10 centimeters దూరంలో ఉన్నాడు. ఇప్పుడు 10 centimeters నుంచి 4 centimeters towards the mirror he walked. నడిచాడు towards the mirror. Now what is the distance from the mirror to the person? Attempt this question. Attempt this question. It's a good question. Rachna, Chetan, think again, think again. మళ్ళీ ఆలోచించండి ఒకసారి. Yeah, option. You please mention the option. Okay, not the answer. Mention the option. Yeah, good, good, Chetan. Okay, let's see what the answer is. Chetan, why did you go wrong initially? Mandu tappu ochindi, malli correct ochindi. Okay, just one attempt lo try check. Okay, but good that you're getting the right answer. Good. Let's see what the answer is. 12. Good. Fourth option. Let's see how. Distance between object and image in the second case. Mundu ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు 10 centimeters దూరంలో ఉన్నాడు. 4 centimeters towards the mirror walk చేస్తే from the mirror distance ఎంత ఉంటుంది? 6 centimeters ఉంటుంది. Right? Now image ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? 6 centimeters behind the mirror ఉంటుంది. ఈ vertical line పెద్ద లైన్ mirror. Object ఇక్కడ ఉంది, image ఇక్కడ ఉంది. 6 centimeters plus 6 centimeters, 12 centimeters. Okay, let's go ahead. An object is 24 centimeters away from a concave mirror and its image is 16 centimeters from the mirror. Find the focal length. This is what I was talking about. It's a formula-based question. Okay? If you know the formula correctly, if you can apply the convention correctly, you'll get the right answer. Okay, go slow, nothing to be in a hurry. Go slow, go strong, you won't be wrong. All right, everyone, I hope everyone is with a pen and paper. You should maintain a book, separate book for these classes. Mhm. Yeah, I want some answer from you all. Are you all attempting? Option 4. How about Nikhil, Rachana? There is some calculation mistake, I presume. Chetan, ఒకసారి calculations చూసుకో. Chetan, ఒకసారి calculations చూసుకోండి, Chetan. It's a formula-based question. If your convention and formula is right, your answer will be right. You will arrive at the right answer. Okay, let's see what the answer is. 9.6. Rachana, good. Yeah, others, please interact. Okay, Siddhu. Chetan, check your calculations. All right, let's see the solution. Okay, look at this. There could be some discrepancy in the solution. Look at the solution carefully. Object distance is given as 24. But is it plus 24 or minus 24? It's supposed to be minus 24. And image distance is 16 centimeters from the mirror. You want to say something? All right, all right. Is it clear? Is it clear? Shall I go ahead? All you have to do is just plug in the distances in the formula. Okay. Okay, look at this question. Find the nature of the image formed by an object placed at a distance of 15 centimeters from the concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeters. Again, a formula-based question. You should know how to apply the convention, the formula and the convention. Make an attempt. Okay, Chetan says 1, Sidhu says 4, Ashna says 2. Nikhil, are you comfortable? Okay, okay. All right. So students, okay, let's see the answer. He says real and inverted. Real and inverted. Let's see the solution. Look at this. U is equal to minus 15 centimeters. Why is it negative? Negative ఎందుకు ఇచ్చాడు? Because it's left of the mirror. It is in front of the mirror. Incident rays are taken as positive in the direction, positive direction. Object is on the left of mirror, so it's negative. Focal length of a concave mirror is negative. That's why F is negative 10, minus 10. Okay. So I apply the formula 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Required is V. Taking this 1 by minus 1 by 15 to the other side, I get 1 by V is equal to 1 by 15 minus 1 by 10. Simple math. We get V is equal to minus 30. Negative 30 ante enti? It is real. It is found again in front of the mirror, which is real. It is not behind the mirror. Okay? Inverted ani ela cheppochu manamu? Inverted ela cheptamu? In front of the mirror vaste ray diagram prakaram for object above the principal axis, image will be below the principal axis. Okay? ఈ క్వశ్చన్ మంచి క్వశ్చన్, ఇది అర్థం చేసుకోండి. విల్ గో స్లో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్. ఓకే, ఐ వాంట్ రిప్లై ఫ్రమ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఇస్ ది క్వశ్చన్ ఓకే? ఇస్ ది సొల్యూషన్ ఓకే? అర్థమైందా? అందరికి అర్థమైందా? సిద్ధు సేస్ ఓకే. చేతన్, రచన, నిఖిల్. Okay, okay, good. So shall I go ahead? All right. Nikhil, okay, okay. All right, moving ahead. Pretty question, చూడండి. To get image larger than the object, one can use which mirror? This is again a factual question. Fact based. ఆ ఫ్యాక్ట్ తెలిస్తే మనం ఈజీ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఆర్ మీకు రే డయాగ్రామ్ మీద కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఉంటే, రే డయాగ్రామ్ మీద హోల్డ్ ఉంటే ఇది ఈజీగా ఆన్సర్ చేయొచ్చు. కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్లో ఏమవుతుంది? ఎప్పుడు డిమినిష్ వస్తుంది ఇమేజ్, ఎరెక్ట్ వస్తుంది, ఇన్వర్టెడ్ రాదు. హీ సేస్ ఇమేజ్ లార్జర్ దెన్ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్. ఇమేజ్ కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ లో స్మాలర్ దెన్ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంటుంది, స్మాలర్ దెన్ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్, బట్ హీ సేస్ లార్జర్ దెన్ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్. ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ లో సేమ్ సైజ్ ఉంటుంది. Image will be as identical to the object, except there will be later inversion. Very good, very good. Sidhu, Chetan, good. Absolutely good. Jyoti. Good. Okay, Nikhil and Rachana, good. Absolutely good. Please don't mind, I'm calling your names and asking you to answer. It is for your benefit. I'm trying to encourage you all. మిమ్మల్ని ఎంకరేజ్ చేయడానికి పిలుస్తున్నాను. ఓకే, అంతేగాని మిమ్మల్ని పాయింట్అవుట్ చేయడానికి కాదు. సరేనా? ఓకే, లెట్స్ గో అహెడ్. ఓకే, లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్. If the magnification of the mirror is greater than 1, then the mirror is magnification is greater than 1. ఇంతకు ముందు క్వశ్చన్ ఏం అడిగాడు? ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఏం అడిగాడు? ఇమేజ్ ఇస్ లార్జర్ దెన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అంటే మ్యాగ్నిఫికేషన్ ఇస్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 1 కదా. సో సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ తిప్పి అడుగుతున్నాడు, అంతే. సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్. దేంట్లో ఉంటుంది? 1. గుడ్ గుడ్. రచన రచన రచన. యా, థింక్ అగైన్ రచన. గుడ్ చేతన్. జ్యోతి, గుడ్. గుడ్ రచన. నిఖిల్ see what's wrong. కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ లో ఏమవుతుంది? డిమినిష్డ్. మ్యాగ్నిఫికేషన్ ఇస్ లెస్ దెన్ 1. ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ లో ఈక్వల్ టు 1. కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ లోనే పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంది గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 1. ఎప్పుడు? when the object is between the focus and the pole. ఫోకస్ ఇంకా పోల్ మధ్యలో ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంటే మనకి ఇమేజ్ పెద్దగా వస్తుంది. గుడ్ 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 గుడ్. Absolutely good. All right, let's go for the next one. Concave mirror. Here, this is again a factual question. Focal plane of a spherical mirror is, what is the focal plane? ఎక్కడి నుంచి పాస్ అవుతుంది? This is the question. Line joining pole and focus of the mirror. Perpendicular plane to the principal axis at the focus. Plane perpendicular at center of curvature. Plane parallel to the principal axis. Oh, Chetan, thank you for the compliment, Chetan. Thank you. Ultimately, మీకు అర్థం కావాలి. Okay? ఏదైనా ఉంటే ఆపండి. Good. Okay. Plane perpendicular to the principal axis at focus. Think again. Or if this question, ఇది కొంచెం విజువలైజ్ చేస్తే వచ్చేస్తుంది. Let's see what the answer is. Plane perpendicular to the principal axis at focus. You have gone wrong here. All right, that's okay, but you have learned something new. If you have gone wrong, you have learned something new. అన్ని కరెక్ట్ వస్తే ఇంకేం అవసరం లేదు, క్లాస్ అవసరం లేదు, ఏం అవసరం లేదు. తప్పు వస్తేనే కదా మనం నేర్చుకుంటాం. ఓకే, సో వాట్ హ్యాపన్స్ వెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎ మిర్రర్ ఫోకస్ దగ్గర. ఓకే రచన, జస్ట్ ఎ సెకండ్. You have a principal axis, all right? You have a principal axis. I'll do one thing. I'll come back to this question at the end. Rachana, I'll come back to this question at the end. Okay? All right. So please remind me at the end. I'll come back to this question at the end. Let's forward. Let's go forward. Over here. When a set of parallel rays of light incline at 15 degrees to the principal axis are incident on a convex lens, they converge at focus, diverge from focus, converge to a point on focal plane, diverge from a point on focal plane. Look at this. What is happening? We understand what you all understood what a focal plane is. Focal plane ఏంటి? ఒక ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ లైన్ పాస్ అవుతుంటే ఆ లైన్ కి పర్పెండిక్యులర్ గా వేస్తారు. ఆ లైన్ ప్లేన్ కి పర్పెండిక్యులర్ ఉండాలి. ఎక్కడి నుంచి పాస్ కావాలి? ఫోకస్ నుంచి పాస్ కావాలి. దట్స్ కాల్డ్ ఫోకల్ ప్లేన్. Yes, 3. Good. Hi Ganesh. Seem to be late, or you were there from beginning? Starting నుంచి ఉన్నావా లేకపోతే ఇప్పుడే వచ్చావా? Okay, Chetan, I'm sorry. See, you answered. Good. Rachna says 2. Diverge from focus. Okay, Ganesh, but you were not interacting, so I thought you were not there. Starting to know? Okay, fine. Rachna, let's see what the answer is. Converge to a point on a focal plane. All right, is it clear? అదే రేస్ ప్యారల్ ఉంటే, ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ కి ప్యారల్ ఉంటే ఎక్కడ ఫోకస్ అవుతుంది, ఎక్కడ కన్వర్జ్ అవుతుంది? ఆప్షన్ 1 అవుతుంది అప్పుడు. కానీ 15 degrees అని ఇచ్చాడు. 15 degrees విత్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ అని ఇచ్చాడు. అందుకే ఫోకల్ ప్లేన్ కి కన్వర్జ్ అవుతాయి. కానీ ఆల్వేస్ ప్యారల్ రేస్ విల్ ఆల్వేస్ కన్వర్జ్ ఆన్ ద ఫోకల్ ప్లేన్. ఆ ప్యారల్ రేస్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ కి ప్యారల్ ఉంటే ఫోకస్ మీద కన్వర్జ్ అవుతాయి. All right, moving forward. Okay, is this question clear to everyone? Type yes in the chat box quickly. Yeah, we'll have physical class, science class tomorrow as well. Chetan, tomorrow also. All right, moving forward. What is the position of the image if the object? What is the position of the image if the object is placed beyond the center of curvature on the principal axis of a convex lens? ఇక్కడ మీ రే డయాగ్రామ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ యూజ్ అవుతుంది. I told you, there are 3 kinds of categories. One is factual, formula based, రే డయాగ్రామ్ based. రే డయాగ్రామ్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంటే ఇది ఆన్సర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. మీకు టైం ఓన్లీ న్యూమెరికల్ దగ్గర టైం అవుతుంది, అదర్వైజ్ ఫ్యాక్చువల్ అండ్ రే డయాగ్రామ్ ఫాస్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. బియాండ్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ ఆన్ ద ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ ఆఫ్ ద కాన్వెక్స్ లెన్స్. బియాండ్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ అని అన్నాడు. 3, 4, 2. Jyoti 3, good. Let's see what the answer is. Everyone is interacting, very good. Ganesh, please answer. Okay, you have answered 2. All right. Let's see what the answer is. Between C and F. ఫోకస్ మీద ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంటే ఇన్ఫినిటీకి వెళ్తుండే, కానీ బియాండ్ సి ఉంది, సి అండ్ ఎఫ్ లో వస్తుంది. ఓకే, రే డయాగ్రామ్ కంఫర్టబిలిటీ ఉంటే ఇది ఆన్సర్ ఈజీగా ఆన్సర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. మీకు రే డయాగ్రామ్స్ లో ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే అడగండి, విల్ క్లారిఫై సమ్, విల్ టేక్ వన్ డే టుమారో అండ్ డూ సమ్ రే డయాగ్రామ్స్. బట్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. చూడండి, దిస్ 2020 క్వశ్చన్. Most of the questions are based on ray diagrams. Ray diagrams, you have to be comfortable. That's okay, Chetan. That's okay. But you have learned it. No, that's okay. Absolutely okay. Let's go for it. Let's go more forward. Over here. This is simple visualization question. You just visualize, you'll get the answer. Choose the correct mirror image of object as shown in the following figure. Object ఇలా ఉంది, ఇది ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ ఉంది, బ్లూ షేడెడ్ ఉంది కదా, అది ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్. ఇమేజ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? Let's see the answer. This is the answer. Pretty easy, right? Quickly answer this question. Okay, look at this. ఈ arrow ఎలా ఉంది కదా, towards right. 3, Rachna. Yes, good. Chetan, ఈ arrow ఎలా ఉంది కదా. Look at the third one. Look at the first one. ఈ arrow అలానే ఉంది, డౌన్వర్డ్ arrow, upward arrow టోటల్ రివర్స్ అయిపోయింది. దట్స్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. 1 లో, 2 లో అప్వర్డ్ arrow అలానే ఉంది, డౌన్వర్డ్ arrow టోటల్ రివర్స్ అయిపోయింది. అలా కాదు కదా ఇమేజ్ లో. 4th one లో ఏమవుతుంది? డౌన్వర్డ్ arrow టోటల్ రివర్స్ అయిపోయింది. టోటల్ రివర్స్ కాదు కదా, జస్ట్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ రైట్ సైడ్ స్వాప్ అయిపోతాయి. యూ జస్ట్ టేక్ ఈ పేపర్ ని ఫోల్డ్ చేయండి, లేకపోతే ఇలా చేయండి. ఈ పేపర్ ని ఫోల్డ్ చేయండి, లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఉంది కదా, తీసుకొని ఫోల్డ్ చేసి ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ కి ఫోల్డ్ చేసి రైట్ సైడ్ పేస్ట్ చేయండి. ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి? ఈ arrow ఇలా వస్తుంది, ఈ arrow ఇలా వస్తుంది. నా మౌస్ పాయింటర్ కనిపిస్తుందా? పాయింటర్ కనిపిస్తుందా అందరికి? Yes, 3, good. 3, everyone is answering 3, good. All right, I'll go ahead. అందరు ఫాస్ట్ ఉన్నారు, చాలా ఫాస్ట్ ఉన్నారు. మోస్ట్ వెల్కమ్ చేతన్. All right, look at this question. The size of the image by a convex mirror is always. Again, factual question. Quickly you can mark. అది కూడా రే డయాగ్రామ్ ఉంటే, కంఫర్టబిలిటీ ఉంటే ఈజీగా మార్క్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్, కాన్వెక్స్. Sidhu, right. Chetan, convex. Chetan, change your answer. Okay. Acha, look at this. కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ అంటున్నాడు కదా, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది ఎప్పటికి? మనం పైన క్వశ్చన్ కూడా చూసాం, ఎప్పటికి మ్యాగ్నిఫికేషన్ <1 ఉంటుంది కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ కి. కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ కి <1 ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ కి మ్యాగ్నిఫికేషన్ <1 ఉంది. ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నాడు? The size of the image by a convex mirror is always diminished. Less than 1 ఉంటుంది కదా. అది ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ ఉంటే, ఇక్కడ కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ ప్లేస్ లో ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ ఉంటే అప్పుడు ఆప్షన్ ఏమవుతుంది? 3 అవుతుంది, ఈక్వల్ టు ది సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్. Instead of convex mirror, plane mirror అడితే the size of the image by a plane mirror is always equal to the size of the object. ఒకవేళ ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ అడితే నెక్స్ట్ టైం, దిస్ ఇస్ 2019 లో కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ అడిగాడు. ఆల్ రైట్, Let's go ahead. Look at this. I wanted to show this question. Look at this question, same question. The size of the image formed by a convex mirror is always. Answer this question. 2, right? Good, Rachana. Everyone, please answer this question quickly. We don't have time. We are running short of time. 2, good, 2. Look at this. 2019 and 2022, same question. If you revise your questions properly, papers properly, there is very good chance of scoring good marks. All right, let's go forward. Look at this. To find normal to a curved surface at a point, join that point and curved surface మీద ఒక పాయింట్ ఉంది, దానికి నేను నార్మల్ డ్రా చేయాలి. నేను దేంతో జాయిన్ చేస్తే నాకు నార్మల్ వస్తుంది? ఫోర్ కాదు. ఎనీ పాయింట్ ఆన్ ద ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? సిద్ధు, యూర్ రైట్. లుక్, నార్మల్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి పాస్ అవుతుంది? సెంటర్ నుంచి పాస్ అవుతుంది. నార్మల్ కావాలంటే మనకి సెంటర్ నుంచి ఒక స్పియరికల్ సర్ఫేస్ కదా కర్వ్డ్ సర్ఫేస్ అంటే. దిస్ వీఆర్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ స్పెరికల్ సర్ఫేస్. మిర్రర్ అంటే స్పెరికల్ సర్ఫేస్. దానికి పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డ్రా చేస్తే that will pass through center of curvature. So it's supposed to be center of curvature. That's what we need. We need C2. All right, let's move forward. Center of curvature. Chetan, you're right. Sidhu, you're right. Rachna is right. Nikhil, center is nothing but center of the sphere. Yeah, good. All right, moving forward. Now this formula based. He's just asking the formula. Which of the following is the formula for magnification of spherical mirror? Formula తెలిస్తే ఇది quickly answer చేయొచ్చు. ఇది multiple. Tell me which is correct. No. Options are 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at the options below. A, B, C, D is a question. Look at the options carefully. It should be A, B, C, D, right? One among A and B, one among C and D. Let's see. All right. Good, Chetan. Yes, good. It's correct. Second is correct. B and C. It is minus V by U in terms of distance from the mirror. In terms of heights, it is HI by HO. Height of the image by height of the object. All right. Look at this question. The lens which can form real and virtual images is real and virtual. Rendu kavali manaki. Lens which can form real and virtual images is కాన్కేవ్ ఎప్పుడు వర్చువల్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది. కాన్కేవ్ ఎప్పుడు వర్చువల్ ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది. కాన్వెక్స్ లో ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి? రియల్ వస్తుంది. వర్చువల్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? when the object is between focus and the pole. Yes, convex. Good, convex. Chetan is not 2. It's not 2. It's not concave. Concave lo eppudu virtual vastundi. Yes, Nikhil. Concave lo eppudu virtual vastundi. Convex lo virtual, when the object is between focus and the pole, appudu virtual vastundi. Virtual and direct, enlarged. Let's move forward. Oh, it's I'm sorry, this is my bad, my mistake. Concave kaadu, it's convex. You're all right. Okay. Negative sign in magnification indicates that the images. What does the negative sign say in the magnification? Formula-based question again. Inverted. Good. Good. Sidhu, good. Let's see. Yeah, it's inverted. Let's go forward. Here is a numerical question. It's a problem. You will have to spend a minute to solve the problem. But let's give only 30 seconds because we are running short of time. An object 4 centimeters in size is placed at a distance of 20 centimeters in front of a concave mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeters. The position of the image is at. So మనకి ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? Object distance ఇచ్చాడు. Object height ఇచ్చాడు. Radius of curvature ఇచ్చాడు. Image position అడుగుతున్నాడు. సో R ఇచ్చాడు, U ఇచ్చాడు, V అడుగుతున్నాడు. కానీ F ఇవ్వలేదు. How will you get F from R? That's the crux of the problem. If you get F, you can use the formula. 1 by F is equal to Here is the answer. Minus 60 centimeters. Chetan, check your calculations. You were very quick. I appreciate that, but check your calculations. Okay. Let's see the solution. Sure. Here. Mirror formula. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Kavalsindi 1 by V. 1 by U goes to the other side, becomes 1 by F minus 1 by U. Focal length. Focal length ఇవ్వలేదు, but radius of curvature ఇచ్చాడు as 30. We know that F is equal to R by 2. F is equal to R by 2. That's why radius of curvature is 15. But he said it's a concave mirror, so it's minus 15. It is all about conventions, ray diagrams in geometry. All right, one simple formula and clarity about conventions. Negative 15 ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నాడు? Concave mirror ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి. Negative 20 ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నాడు? Object distance is negative 20. Substitute చేస్తే simple math, you'll get the answer as minus 60. All right. All right, let's go ahead. Look at this question. The angle of incidence of a light ray on a plane mirror is 45 degrees. The angle between the incident ray and the reflected ray is. Angle of incidence ఇచ్చాడు. Reflected ray మనకి ఈజీ తెలిసిపోతుంది. What is 2? What is 45 degrees? That is the angle of reflection. Angle of incidence 45. Angle of reflection is also 45. We know that. Why? For a plane mirror? Sorry, for reflection, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Yes, 3, Chetan. Absolutely right. Sidhu. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So angle of reflection is 45 degrees. కావాల్సింది ఏంటి? యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే అండ్ రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రే నార్మల్ నుంచి 45 ఉంది 45 ఇటు 45 ఇటు 45 టువర్డ్స్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే 45 టువర్డ్స్ రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రే angle of incidence is 45 from normal to incident rate is 45 normal to reflected rate is 45 from incident rate to reflected rate would be 90 let's see yes it's 90 yes Siddhu right Chetan good in the first attempt you got it Rachana is it clear others Ganesh why have you disappeared okay good Rachana Nikhil good Nikhil all right here is the answer angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection you all got it right so I'll move forward this one is just like the previous question arrow marks unde kada idi manchi question chudandi the figure given below shows the image of a clock as seen in the plane mirror the correct time is plane mirror lo chuste image ఇలా కనిపిస్తుంది ఏమవుతుంది రైట్ ది లెఫ్ట్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది లెఫ్ట్ ది రైట్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది సో కరెక్ట్ టైం ఇస్ వాట్ 2:35 ఏమో ఇప్పుడు మిర్రర్ లో కనిపిస్తుంది సిద్ధు కావాల్సింది హాయ్ చేతు వేర్ ఆర్ యు yes it's 9:25 chetu is right 4 good Ganesh Chetan everyone is right all right good let's go forward chala fast Nikhil good okay fine look at this question simple scale based geometry based question the focal length of a concave mirror in the experiment setup shown below equals to no one is wrong even in the book it was given wrong answer is supposed to be Chetan is right think good Nikhil it's a good question what is focal length distance from the pole to the focal point to the focus Jyoti yes 3 is right distance from the pole here the vertical line to this focal point this is 1 centimeters 1.1 1.2 this line is supposed to be over here students this slight discrepancy in the diagram లో కొంచెం తప్పు ఉంది okay there is something wrong in the book C is right 1.2 is right but this line vertical line is supposed to be passing through this small line this vertical line is supposed to be passing through this small line all right small segment all right let's go ahead here is another formula based question the previous one book is wrong in that all right what you have answered is right 1.2 is right C is right good look at this question refractive index of a medium is √2 then its critical angle is so how do you do this formula teliste substitute cheyadam answer teyadam so the two okay think okay Chetan నేర్చుకుంటావు దీంట్లో no problem let others try I'll show the solution no it is not okay let's see go for the solution you people seem to be going wrong here 45 degrees is right here is the solution refractive index ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు √2 Critical angle ఏంటి? Sine of that critical angle is equal to refractive index of air by refractive index of the medium, n1 by n2. n1 is 1, approximately 1. Refractive index of air is 1.003 students, but approximately we approximate it to 1. We use it as 1. So sine inverse of 1 by root 2, which is 45 degrees, pi by 4. All right, is it okay? Chetan, is it okay? Okay, let's go ahead. If the speed of light in the diamond is this much, and the speed of light in air is given as this much, then the refractive index of diamond is, again, you should know the formula. Just plug in the values in the formula, you'll get the answer. Our values aren't పెట్టేస్తే just the answer. Here is the answer, 2.42. Here is the solution. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, మీకు ఎప్పుడైనా ఆప్షన్స్ లో ఇంత క్లోజ్ ఉంటుంది చూడండి, 2.42 ఒకటి ఇచ్చాడు, 2.41 ఒకటి ఇచ్చాడు. ఇంత క్లోజ్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు అప్పుడు రిఫ్రాక్టివ్ ఇండెక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎయిర్ యూ షుడ్ యూజ్ ఇట్ as 1.003. ఆన్సర్స్ లో అంత క్లోజ్ వేరియేషన్ ఉంటాయి, 2.42, 2.41. Oh, you got it right, Chetan? Good. All right. So look at the formula. Refractive index of diamond by refractive index of air is equal to velocity of light, speed of light in air by speed of light in diamond. మనకి అన్ని తెలుసు except refractive index of diamond. All right, let's go ahead. Again, another formula based problem. Refractive index of air is 1. దీంట్లో ఇచ్చేసాడు 1 అని. ఇప్పుడు మీరు 1.003 యూజ్ చేయడం అవసరం లేదు. Refractive index of air is 1. If the critical angle is 30 degrees, then the refractive index of glass is Mm-hmm. 3, good. Okay, 3. Experts. Good, very good. That's the answer. Yes, Chetan, you got it right. Chetu, it's not 2. I mean, the option is 3. Refractive index is 2. I was asking for the option. That's all right. All right, here is the answer, solution. But I don't think you require the solution now. Everyone got it right. Jyoti is here. Nikhil is here. Yeah, fine. Good. Here, another similar kind of problem. Speed of light in vacuum is c, and refractive index is 3 by 2. Then the speed of light in that medium, that particular medium, is dash. Speed of light in vacuum ఇచ్చాడు, medium లో రేషియో ఇచ్చాడు. Here is the answer. Two C by C. Let's see the solution. It's pretty simple. I think you've gone wrong somewhere in marking 2 by 3 as 3 by 2. చూడండి, students, speed of light in any medium cannot be greater than c. Option 1 ఏంటి? 3 by 2 అంటే 1.5 c. So that is ruled out. మనకు ఉంటే ఆన్సర్ 2, 3, 4 లో ఉండాలి. కానీ 1 ఏమో రూల్డ్ అవుట్. వై? స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు? 3/2 అంటే 1.5. ఆల్ రైట్ చేతన్. It just if you just have patience for another 10 minutes, Chetan. Yeah, I understand you're all hungry. I'm hungry too. All right, let's go ahead. Okay, look at this. Quick answer. Quick answer. Refractive index of opaque body may be. For opaque body, we don't talk of refractive index. We don't define refractive index. It's only for transparent or translucent bodies. It's not defined. All right, next, this one. Angle of incidence in the above figure is. It is surface. PQ is the interface. PQ is the interface. PQ పైన ఒక మీడియం ఉంది, PQ కింద ఒక మీడియం ఉంది. PQ ఏమో సర్ఫేస్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్. యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెన్స్ అడుగుతున్నాడు. యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెన్స్ దేంతో మెజర్ చేస్తారు? నార్మల్ తో చేసింది ఏమో యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెన్స్. ఎస్ 3, రైట్, గుడ్. Chetan got it right. Ganesh got it right. Jitu got it right. Rachana. Hey, Harshita, hi. Where were you? You just joined? Ippude join eva? All right, let's go for the next one. Here. Look at the answer. Angle made by the incident ray with the normal is called the angle of incidence, not with the interface. Normal to chase the angle is called angle of incidence. All right. So if this is alpha, that's 90 minus alpha. Okay, look at this. He's directly asking the formula. Formula-based question, not even the numerical, directly asking the formula. Formula used when a light ray enters a medium of refractive index N2 from a medium of refractive index N1 at curved surface with radius of curvature R is. Here is the solution. There's no solution. Here's the answer. Sorry. Okay, let's go for the next one. All right, Chetan. All right, Chetan. You can follow up this in the YouTube. All right, whatever you have missed, you can again check in the YouTube. All right, visit YouTube channel, Jatadhara Education Technology. You can follow up. All right. Over here, again, simple formula for lens. Here is the answer. Yes, 2. Right, Sidhu, that's right. Let's go for the next one. Yes, Chatu, you're right. Over here, what is the lens maker's formula? Be careful. Here's mu minus 1 times 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. R1 is the first interface. R2 is the second interface of the lens. All right, moving forward. What is the focal length of a double convex lens kept in air with two spherical surfaces of radii? R1 is equal to 30 centimeters. R2 is equal to 60 centimeters. And refractive index of the glass is given as 3/2, 1/1.5, 3/2. Yeah, try this question. This is 2020, PS 2020. Here is the answer, minus 40. Yes, 2, correct. Let's see the solution. We use the lens maker's formula, that's fine. N is 3/2, 1.5. 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. What is R1? He said double concave lens. So for the first surface, R1 is negative. That's why you got minus 30 here. In the question, he just mentioned the value of R1 as 30 centimeters. Solution lo manam negative 30 తీసుకుంటున్నాం, minus 30. ఎందుకంటే ఫస్ట్ సర్ఫేస్ కి R1 is negative ఉంది, కాన్కేవ్ లెన్స్ కాబట్టి. సెకండ్ సర్ఫేస్ పాజిటివ్ 60. అదే కాన్వెక్స్ లెన్స్ అయితే ఫస్ట్ is positive, second is negative. Okay. All right. Shall I go ahead? దీంట్లో ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉందా? All right, moving forward. Look at this. Which of the following is true in case of concave lens? Concave lens, not mirror. Be careful. One. All right. Yeah, it's one. Right. Ganesh, just think again. కాన్కేవ్ లెన్స్ లో ఏమవుతుంది, మనకి ఎప్పటికీ రియల్ ఇమేజ్ రాదు దాంట్లో. ఎస్, వన్ ఉంటుంది, డైరెక్ట్ ఉంటుంది, ఇంకా వర్చువల్ ఉంటుంది. All right. So let's go forward. I request Gayatri madam to take over.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Good evening, students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Fine. Let me share the screen. Just a second. All right. So, in continuation of yesterday's grammar, so today let's continue with this. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. All right, students, being the first one, we'll do it for you. Is my voice audible? Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. The burning of the effigy of Ravana on Dashara dash the burning of all evils. So there are 4 options given. So you have to fit in the correct option for this sentence. Okay. So why is it you're burning the Ravana's either picture or whatever? That's only to, it symbolizes that you are burning the evils. Okay. So none of the other options like epitomizes or intensifies or personifies, these 3 will not suit here. It only symbolizes. Symbolizes means it tells us, it shows us. All right, students. Yes, with this, let's move on to the next question. The state government argued that it could not dash the increase in the teachers' salaries as awarded by the court. All right. So there are 4 options. Your time starts now. Not more than 30 seconds. The first option is stand. Second option is spare. Third option is afford. And fourth option is get. So let me see how many are going to give me the answer. Jyoti says 4. Sidhu says 4. All right. So 4 is being the highlighted one. No, but the answer is 3, afford. Why government says that we cannot increase the salary? Because we cannot afford. Already our expenses are more. All right. Yes, with this, let's move on to the next question. Scientists at Cambridge University are dash. How plants can give us sustainable energy? So is it looking, or is it investigating, or is it scrutinizing, or is it inspecting? Yes, 30 seconds, not more than that. Give me the correct best suited answer for this. Sidhu says 1, Jyoti says 2. Oh my God, 3 and 4 alone is missing. All right, so let's see. The answer is investigating, right? So they are trying to find out something. All right, so the best suitable word here is investigating. With this, let's move on to the next sentence. Next, fill in the blanks. A number of Indian goods face a dash competition from Chinese goods in terms of prices and looks. Is it angry, or is it powerful, or is it fierce, or is it bold? So I'm sure the answer can be definitely guessed for this. Let's see, I'm getting one answer. 1. Yes, only yes. Option 2, Sidhu says 1, Nikhil says 1. All right. So the answer is fierce, 3. Right? So what it means, a number of Indian goods face a fierce competition from Chinese goods in terms of price and in terms of looks. Fierce means, something like here it says that a very tough competition, because Chinese goods are very less in price, and they also look very glittery when compared to other goods. They are able to make the mass production at a cheaper rate. So that is why we are using the very powerful word called fierce. All right, with this, let's move on to the next sentence. Many items made of ivory were dash from a dealer in antiques by the customs authorities at the Delhi airport. Is it appropriated, or is it confiscated, or is it annexed, or is it hijacked? I'm sure the answer is very easy. Many will answer, I suppose. Let's see how many are going to give me the answer. So, 2, yes, Jyoti. All right, so I'm getting 1 and 2 as the right answer. Let's see, the correct answer is exactly 2, confiscated. Confiscated means usually this word is used only by the, in terms of when the airport people seizes some goods, So for that, this confiscated is the best word. All right. Yes, see the next sentence. In many countries, the dash in pay for men and women is quite common. For example, in Germany, women are paid 21% less as compared to men. All right, so in the blank that is given, what is the best suitable word? What is the appropriate word? Is it unlikeliness? Or is it equivalence? Or is it disagreement? Or is it disparity? So I'm sure for this also you'll be able to find, give me the correct answer. Chaitu says 2, Harshita, Sidhu, Jyoti. There is a competition between 2 and 4. Let's see the answer for this. It is 4, disparity. So the correct and the exact word that can be used is disparity. Means you are not showing equality. Okay, you are treating one set as more important and the other set as less important, or you are not paying equal attention, or you are not giving equal attention to both the set. So here, women are not being treated as same. That is because they are paid less, isn't it? All right, see the next question. The old man wished to donate his dash wealth for the upliftment of the downtrodden. So what could be the best suitable or the appropriate word for this? Is it immense, or is it elusive, or is it intense, or is it eminent? So quickly give me your answers. The chat box is only for you. Jyoti, Vaishu, Chaitu, 1, 4. You have to, how to make the correct answer is, students, you have to read the sentence. And, if you have any doubt between 2 words, you put the first word in that and you read it by yourself and see. If you think it is right, try the other word also. Then that would not be right. So this is how, we choose the best, correct, suitable word. Sometimes both the words may be suitable for one sentence. So how do you choose? Only by reading the sentence, isn't it? Yes. The answer here is immense. The old man wished to donate his immense wealth. What do you mean by immense? Something more. Something which is very large. All right. For the upliftment of the downtrodden. All right. Let's move on to the next question. The company management is of the opinion that not wearing a suit and tie at the workplace could create a bad dash on clients. Is it response, or is it notion, or is it outlook, or is it impression? So I'm sure the answer for this is very easy. So I've not got any answer. So let me move on. It is impression, right? So that would create a bad impression. Yes, now only the answers are coming. No problem. See the next question. India is the second largest dash of cotton in the world. Is it creator, or is it producer, or is it grower, or is it manufacturer? All right. I'm expecting the answers. 30 seconds, not more than that. Many says 4, many says 2. All right, see the answer. It is 2. So we are the second largest producer of cotton. All right, students? Yes. Good. See the next question. Talgo, a Spanish company, is one of the major dash of intercity, standard and high-speed passenger trains. 4 options: manufacturers, creators, builders, and constructors. Let me see how many are going to give me the answer. Sidhu says 1. Okay. Rohini says 4. Jyoti says 3. Chaitu says 1. All right, let's see the answer. It is 1. Talgo, a Spanish company, is one of the major manufacturers. All right, yes. See the next question. Replace a phrase in bold letters to correct the sentence if necessary. All right. So if necessary, you have to correct. If it is not necessary, then you can just put it as no improvement. All right. So which means that already the sentence given, the words given is fit enough. It makes a proper sense. All right. Let's move on to the first question. He has to develop self-confidence, so leave him alone. Is it have to develop? Or is it are to develop? Or is it has to develop? Or no improvement is required? I'm sure the answer is very easy. Rohini says 1. Next, Jyoti says 3. It can also be 4, I said it can also be because... All right, see, it is 4 because he has to develop is perfectly all right. All right. So he has to develop self-confidence. So leave him alone. All right, let's move on. Let's move on to the next sentence. We protested that we dash all the way to Haridwar. We protested that we was going. How is it correct? It is not right, isn't it? So we is going. Is it right? No. We were going. Is it right? We were went. Is it right? Or no improvement is required. So almost I gave you half the clues. So I'm sure by now you must be, you must have guessed the correct answer. Many says 2. Let's see. The right answer is 2. Perfect. He protested that we were going all the way to Haridwar. All right. Let's move on to the next question. Learning include discovery, insight, understanding, as well as accumulation of information. Is it includes, or is it had includes, or is it has include, or no improvement is required? Give me your answers in the chat box quickly because we have another session that has to be covered. So I want you all not to miss that. So give me your answers quickly. Option 3, option 1. All right. Here the answer is option 1. Learning includes, because there are many things which is coming after that, isn't it? You have discovery, you have insight, so many things. So you cannot write singular include. You should write plural includes. All right. See the next question. They are giving something back to the planet that dash, that is being defiled every day in 1,000 ways. Is it is being defiled, or is it is being defiled, or is being defiled, or is being defiling, or no improvement is required? Let's see how many are able to give me the answer. Vaishu says 1, Sidhu says 3. All right, let's see the answer. It is 2. They are giving something back to the planet that is being defiled. What do you mean by being defiled? Which means it is ongoing. It is continuously done. Okay. Because every day it is being done. All right. With this, let's move on to the next question. Environmental care dash to the back of our daily requirements. Environmental care had slowly regressing. Can we replace that with is slowly regressing, or were slowly regressing, or are slowly regress, or no improvement is required? So the answer is easy. I'm sure you could have guessed right by now. Jyoti says 3, Sidhu says 1. How about others? Still guessing. All right, let's see the answer. It is 1. Yes, environmental care is slowly regressing. Good to those students who have given the right answer. All right, with this, let's move on to the next question. The technical aspect of English that deals with ironies, dash, my inquisitive mind. So the technical aspect of English that deals with ironies has always intrigued. Is it right? Or can we replace it with is always intrigued? Or can we replace it by will always intrigue? Or can we replace it by has always intrigued? Or you think no improvement is required? Let's see how many are going to give me the right answer. The chat box is wide open. Rohini, Sidhu, Vaishu. Vaishu says 3. Others says 1. Let's see the correct answer. It is 3. Yes, perfect. The technical aspect of English that deals with ironies has always intrigued. All right. Let's see the next sentence. The realization came when we noticed that our children, dash, had becoming too dependent on us. When we use the word children, what is that you have to use? Had become, has become again, or no improvement. There is one small clue that is, which has been hidden here. So if you're able to find out that, then your answers would be right. Chaitu, problem should be in your system. I'm sure others are able to change it. All right. Yes, Jyoti says 4. Let's see. The answer is had become, because children as a whole is treated only as a singular. Okay. So all child put together forms children. So that is what I wanted to tell you. All right. With this, let's move on to the next question. The report has already been, okay. So the report dash given to the board. Is it have already been, or is it have already been, or is it has already been, or no improvement is required? Let's see how many are going to give me the answer. Chaitu, Jyoti, how about others? Sidhu, Vaishu. See, I'm giving you 30 seconds. The thing is, you have to read it, put the best fitted word in that, and then give me an answer. All right? Yes. Let's see the answer for this. It is 4. The sentence is already perfect. The report has already been given to the board. All right. With this, let's move on to the next question. You see a curtain of fog hanged low, suspended over the fresh green grass. Is it hanged can be replaced? Can hang be replaced by hangs? Or where hang, or hanging, or no improvement is required? So 30 seconds is in your hands. The chat box is wide open for you. Give me your answers. I want a participative management. All of you must try. The session is being done only for you students. All right. So make use of it. Nikhil says hi. Why, Nikhil, you're telling me hi very late? So far you have not been answering the questions. I missed your answers. All right, so start answering. Vaishu says 4. Others also should answer, isn't it? Okay, Nikhil says 4. Sidhu says 4. Chaitu says 2. All right. Let's see the answer. It is 3. You see a curtain of fog hanging low. All right. Yes. Let's move on to the next question. This stove dash that is had a flat kerosene tank at the bottom. Is it have, is it has, or is it has had? Or you think no improvement is required? Let me see how many are able to give me the answer. The chat box says only one answer has come. Okay, now it's pouring. Vaishu, Rohini, Nikhil, everybody is sticking towards option 4. Yes, perfect. This stove had a flat kerosene tank at the bottom. Had means something has already happened. All right. Yes. Now with this, we are moving on to the speech. So you have to change the speech from either direct to indirect or from indirect to direct. Yes. So many speeches we did yesterday. So let's continue. I said to my father, I want to build a raft which can hold 4 people. So 4 options are there. So from direct, you have to convert it into indirect. So you have to choose the best and the correct option. The first option is I told my father that I am wanting to build a raft which could hold 4 people. The second option, I told my father that I wanted to build a raft which could hold 4 people. Or the third one, I told my father that I'm wanting to build a raft which could hold 4 people. Or the last and the fourth option, I told my father that I wanted to build a raft which could hold 4 people. All right. So those sentences are big, but it's easy to guess and give the answer. All right. So answers are coming. So 4, 1, 2. All right. Let's see the answer. It is 4. I told my father that I wanted to build a raft which could hold 4 people. All right. See the next question. The manager said, Vivek must go tomorrow to meet the client. So 4 options. The manager said that Vivek must have to go the following day to meet the client. Or the manager said that Vivek will have to go tomorrow to meet the client. Or see the third option. The manager said that Vivek must go to the following day to meet to meet the client. Or the fourth option, manager said that Vivek must be going tomorrow to meet the client. Yes, I'm sure the answers are easy to be guessed. Shrija, Chaitu, yes, I'm seeing the new student giving me the answer. Sidhu, all right. So there is the graph between 2 and 3. All right, let's see the answer. It is 3. The manager said that Vivek must go the following day. So when the direct speech says tomorrow, indirect will say the following, isn't it? Yesterday I told you this and I'm sure all of you must have noted down. With this, we are moving on to the next question. Aunt said to mother, I will be in Surat on Friday. So 4 options. So which is the correct indirect sentence? Aunt told mother that she will be in Surat on Friday. Second option, aunt told mother she would be in Surat on Friday. Third option, aunt told mother she will be in Surat on Friday. Fourth option, aunt told mother that she would be in Surat on Friday. Yes. So let's quickly give the answer. It is none other than option 4. Aunt told mother that she would be in Surat on Friday. Yes. Good if you would have guessed correct. All right, let's move on to the next question. My brother said, I can climb this hill in less than an hour. So 4 options to be converted to indirect. My brother claimed that he can climb that hill in less than an hour. Is it right? Or second option, my brother claimed that he could climb this hill in less than an hour. Or the third option, my brother claimed that he can climb this hill in less than an hour. Or see the fourth option, my brother claimed that he could climb that hill in less than an hour. Yes, so I'm sure you would have guessed the answer by now. Many says 4, 4, 4. All right, see the answer. Yes, the answer is right. Your answers are right. My brother claimed that he could climb that hill in less than an hour. Yes, see, sometimes we need to use a word guessing because there could always be a tug of war between two options. So both may, turn out to be right. So in that case, you have to use the guessing. All right, with this, let's move on to the next question. Preeti said to her friend, I'm like my mother. So the direct sentence is here, and how do you change it to indirect? The first option, Preeti told her friend that she was like her mother. Second option, Preeti told her friend that I was like her mother. Third option, Preeti tells her friend that she is like her mother. Fourth option, Preeti tells her friend that she was like her mother. Yes, so let's see your guessings or your answers. Chaitu says 1, Sidhu says 3, and one more student says 3. Yes, Shrija says 2. All right, let's see the answer. It is 1. Preeti told her friend that she was like her mother. Perfect. Yes. So with the students, we have completed English for today. All right. So hope the grammar part will continue in the next class. And now we will do mathematics. All right. So let's quickly finish off real numbers. So the first question is prime factorization of 10,625 is dash. All right, I'm afraid the time is already running, so I cannot give you much time. So please take less than 30 seconds and give me the answer. All right, and I'm sure you all must be ready with a notebook and a pencil so that you can note down the questions. And if you have any doubts, you can just work it out and send us a message to our number 9642215227, and we'll get back to you regarding this or any doubts regarding the courses. All right, the answer is 5 power 4 into 17. All right, how do you get this? By just taking a LCM. All right, so it's a very simple question. See the next question. Which of the following is a terminating decimal? So yesterday itself we saw terminating and non-terminating. So terminating is something which finishes off, right? So where there is a fixed after decimal, you will get your the decimal places are fixed. It doesn't keep on continuing. The remainder will be 0. All right, after 3 or 4. All right. So which of the following is terminating decimal? So the first option is 10 by 9, 13 by 17, 22 by 15, or 25 by 4. So I'm sure by now your answers would have come. Yes, Sidhu first said 3 and after that changed it to 1. I don't know why. All right. Let's see the answer. It is 4. We are saying terminating. So right. So see 10 by 9. How do you check the answer? See how beautifully the answers has been worked out. So 10 by 9 can be written as 10 by 3 into 3. So 3 into 3, which is nothing but 2 power n into 5 power m. All right. So see the next option, 13 by 17. So Q is 17, which is not equal to 2 power n into 5 power m. Like how the first one, 3 into 3 was not equal to 2 power n into 5 power m. See the third option, 22 by 15. You can write 22 as 2 into 11 and 15 as 5 into 3. And therefore Q is equal to 5 into 3, which is not equal to 2 power n into 5 power m. But see the last one, 25 by 2. So 25 is you're multiplying the numerator and denominator by 5. So therefore, 2 into 5 is equal to 2 power n into 5 power m. So in simple words, the denominator must be of the form 2 power n into 5 power m. There should not be any other factor. All right. Yes. So with this, let's move on to the next one. Which of the following is a non-terminating decimal? Yes, let's see the answer for this. It is 31 by 7. So using the same application, let's see 24 by 5. The first option, you can write that as 24 by 5. You can multiply the numerator by 2 and denominator by 2. So 2 into 5 can be written as 2 power n into 5 power m. Right? So it cannot be in fact written. See the next one, 31 by 7. Where Q is equal to 7, that is 2 power n into 5 power m. In this case only it cannot be written. For terminating, we saw the other way, isn't it? For non-terminating, it would be opposite of terminating. Yes, so it should not be equal. If it is not equal, then we say that it is non-terminating. If it is equal, then we say that it is terminating. All right, so 31 by 7 is not equal. So let's see the other option also. 13 by 5, multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2, we get 2 into 5, which is 2 power n into 5 power m. Similarly, 5 by 2 also you will get 2 power n into 5 power m. So the only one which is not equal is 31 by 7. So thus you can say that 31 by 7 is a non-terminating decimal. With this, let's move on to the next question. The rational number between 4 and 5 is very simple. I can give you 1 minute max, not more than that. Give me your right answers. I want the rational number between 4 and 5. Yes, how many are going to give me the right answers? Sidhu says 2. All right, let's see the answer. It is 2. Perfect. 9 by 2. The rational numbers between 4 and 5 is 4 plus 5 by 2. That is 9 by 2. All right, see the next question. Which of the following is a rational number? Is it root 2? Is it root 3? Is it root 4? Is it root 5? So let's see whether the answers which is coming is right. I'm getting answers like 3, Vaishu, Chetan. Okay, maximum of 3. Option 3. Yes, perfect. Option 3. Because root 4 can be written as 2 into 2, which is 2. See, root 4 can be written as 2 into 2, which is root 2 in root 2 square. So, when there are two same numbers, 2 into 2, when it comes out of the square root, it becomes one single 2, one single number. Therefore, it is 2. All right, see the next question. Which of the following is an irrational number? Is it root 36? So here, in the earlier sum, when what we saw rational number was a perfect square. Here, they're asking irrational number. Okay, so I'm sure you would have guessed. Is it root 36, root 25, root 9, or root 24? So let's see how many of you. Yes, many says 4. And the answer is 4. Perfect. All right. Yes. See the next question. P by Q form of 15.65 is dash. Is it 561 by 15, or is it 313 by 20, or 412 by 15, or is it 314 by 26? So let me give you the answer because it takes more than 1 or 2 minutes to work out. So 15.65 can be written as 1565 by 100 because after decimal 2 numbers are there. Therefore, the denominator can be written as 100, isn't it? So you can further simplify it as 313 into 5 by 20 into 5. So 5 getting cancelled. So you'll get 313 by 20. Therefore, our option is option 3. All right. See the next question. Very simple one. Decimal form of 125 by 50 is dash. I'm sure more than 30 seconds can be taken for this. Let's see how many are giving me the answer. Chetan, Shrija, Vaishu. All right, everybody's sticking on to option 3. The answer is option 1, 2.5. All right. See, 125 by 50 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 by 5 into 5 into 2. Okay. See the next question. The LCM of 72 and 108 is dash. Is it 72 or is it 108 or is it 216 or none of the other options? Okay. So this requires a real working of the LCM. Yes, 72 and 108. So let's see the answer. It is 216. How? See, 72, when you take the LCM, you get 2 cube into 3 square. 108, when you take the LCM, you get 2 square into 3 cube. So LCM of 72 and 108 is 2 cube into 3 cube. All right, students? Yes. All right, see the next question. The HCF of 306 and 657 is dash. Is it 73? Is it 17? Or is it 306? Or is it 9? So let's see the answer for this so that we can see the explanation as well as for this question. 306, when you take LCM, you get 2 into 3 square into 17. And 657, you get it as 3 square into 73. All right. So highest common factor. So whichever is common you consider, isn't it? So 3 square is 9. All right, see the next question. The HCF of 10, 20 and 30 is k square minus 6. Then the value of k is dash. Is it 2? Is it 4? Is it 8 or is it 16? Let's see if anybody has given the answer. Chetan says 4. I answered. Sidhu says 3. All right. Let's see. The answer is 4. How? Because 10 can be written as 2 into 5, 20 can be written as 2 into 5 into 2, 30 can be written as 2 into 5 into 3. HCF is 2 into 5, which is 10. So k square minus 6 is 10. So when you bring the minus 6 to the other side, it becomes 10 plus 6, which is 16. So k square is 16, then k would be root of 16, which is nothing but 4. All right, see the next question. The HCF of 48 and 36 is dash, but their LCM is given as 144. All right, so let's quickly see the answer for this. The answer is 12. How? You have a formula, LCM into HCF is equal to product of numbers. So we don't know the HCF, so let us write HCF as HCF into LCM is 144, which is equal to product of numbers 48 into 36. You put this left-hand side, when it goes to the other side, it becomes a denominator. Thereby, your HCF would be 12. So this is a very important formula. Just take down HCF into LCM is equal to product of numbers. All right, now let's move on to a very interesting session, that is logarithm. So 4 cube is 64. In logarithmic form, it is dash. Log 64 base 4 is equal to 3, or log 4 base 3 is 64, or log 64 base 4 is 4, or log 64 base 4 is 2. Yes, the answer is 1, because 4 cube is 64, applying log base 4 on both the sides. So log base 4, so 4 cube is equal to log 64 base 4. All right, so the 3 comes in front of the log, so it is 3 log 4 base 4 is equal to log 64 base 4. Yes, so log 64 base 4 is equal to 3, because log 4 base 4 is 1. All right, see, very simple question, but very effective one. All right, see the next question. An irrational number between 4 and 5 is dash. Is it 3 root 5, 4 root 5, 5 root 5, 2 root 5? So I should give chance to the students to answer, isn't it? Let me see. Chaitu says Ganesh, Chetan says option 2. Sidhu says option 2. Let's see the answer. It is option 4. That is 2 root 5. All right. How? 4 is equal to, root 16 is 4. Root 25 is 5. So 3 root 5 is root of 3 into 3 into 5. Isn't it? Which is root 45. So 4 root 5 is 4 into 4 into 5, which is root 80. 5 root 5 is 5 into 5 into 5, which is root 125. So 2 root 5 is 2 into 2 into 5, which is root 20. So only root 20 is between root 16 and root 25. That's why you have opted for this. That is 2 root 5. All right, students. So we did few max questions today due to the time constraint. So tomorrow we'll continue with this. So I'm sure you all would have noted down the very important questions and you all would have really gained more knowledge in today's physics, English and mathematics session. So I'm sure after, your classes are over, you will sit with these questions and again work it out. And there is a request from our side. Please tell about our classes to your friends and give them our WhatsApp number 96422152227. And any queries regarding any classes, the WhatsApp number can be contacted and we will get back to you. And don't forget to see our YouTube live streaming, Jatadhara Educational Program, and tell about our classes to your friends, relatives, your teachers and your neighbors, and let them get benefited by this. Thank you so much, students. Chandrika ma'am, you
Yes,
can wind up, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Gayatri ma'am. Yes, students, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కి క్లాస్మేట్స్ కి కూడా చెప్పండి. ఇప్పుడు ఏదైతే మీకు జూమ్ లింక్ వస్తుందో క్లాస్ అటెండ్ అవ్వడానికి, ఆ లింక్ ని మీ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లో ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, వాళ్ళని కూడా జాయిన్ అవ్వమని చెప్పండి. అండ్ 16th March వరకు లాస్ట్ డేట్ టు అప్లై ఫర్ TSRJC సెట్ 2024. ఇంకా ఎవరైనా అప్లై చేసుకొని వాళ్ళు ఉంటే తొందరగా అప్లై చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, ఇంకొక 1 month ఉంది అంతే మాక్సిమం. రైట్, టుడే ఈజ్ 16th February. యూ హ్యావ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 1 month. ఓకే, సో ఇంకా ఎవరైనా అప్లై చేసుకొని వాళ్ళు ఉంటే తొందరగా అప్లై చేసుకోండి. అండ్ ఎవరెవరైతే అప్లై చేశారో మీకు తెలిసిన సర్కిల్లో ఎవరైనా అప్లై చేసిన వాళ్ళు ఉంటే వాళ్ళందరికీ ఈ లింక్ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి. మీ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో కూడా ఈ లింక్ పెట్టండి. ఇది SSC ఎగ్జామ్స్కి కూడా ఒక రకంగా రివిజన్ అవుతుంది. సో వాళ్ళకు కూడా వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో కూడా పోస్ట్ చేయండి. ఎస్, టుమారో ఆల్సో we will meet at 7:30 PM. సో రేపు కూడా 7:30 PM కి క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. 5 minutes ముందే కొంచెం తొందరగా జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. 5 minutes ముందే జాయిన్ అయిపోండి. 7:30 కల్లా మనం క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ చేయగలుగుతాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ స్టూడెంట్స్. అండ్ ప్లీజ్ సెండ్ ద లింక్ ఇన్ యువర్ క్లాస్ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్. మీ క్లాస్ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ ఏదైతే ఉందో 10th class వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ స్కూల్లో, ఆ గ్రూప్లో ఈ లింక్ సెండ్ చేయండి.